Hello there, good afternoon. We'll take a brief look now at the weather for the week ahead, which is looking very samey day on day, very similar to how it's been so far this weekend. So it should stay mostly dry and settled. There'll be variable amounts of cloud with some brightness, some spells of sunshine coming through, but some rather chilly, misty, foggy starts to the mornings. What we're not going to see a lot of is wet weather. This is the rainfall accumulation chart for the next 5 days. So a little bit of wet weather towards parts of northern Scotland and also for southern and North Sea facing coast with more of an onshore breeze. But high pressure is firmly centred right over the UK. High pressure, so no high drama weather-wise. Little weak warm front across parts of the Northern Isles, but we've seen lots of clear skies overnight, mist and fog around this morning, beautiful fog bows spotted by a weather watcher, same as rainbows really, but just the sunlight gets refracted through these tiny droplets that form the fog, so they look ghostly and ethereal. So the mist and the fog still stubborn to lift and clear across some central areas, but for most of us there's a lot of sunshine, and there will be more sunshine developing too for the rest of the day, but just this legacy of low cloud across parts of East Anglia and southeast England there. Top temperatures around 14 to 17 degrees Celsius. Locally we could get to 18 degrees maybe. And then through this evening and overnight, it's just more of the same. Now, there is a light northeasterly wind just blowing this low cloud onshore, and then that pushes its way further westwards. So some clear skies towards western parts, also across parts of Scotland. I think there will be a lot of clear skies, so more mist and fog developing into tomorrow morning here. But again, that's going to be quite slow to lift and clear for some. That low cloud sticking across parts of England for much of the day, into Wales as well. But some of the best of the brightness will be towards the west and also across Northern Ireland, much of Scotland, and also some sunny spells for Northern Ireland, I think, as we head through the afternoon. Tuesday, spot the difference. It's looking really very similar. Still the possibility that some of this low cloud will produce a bit of drizzle, a few spits and spots here and there. Otherwise it's dry. There'll be a lot of sunshine emerging. Some of the best of that again will be towards the west, and again we'll see temperatures hit 14 to 17 degrees Celsius. Here's our area of high pressure. It's still very much in place as we head through Wednesday. So on Wednesday again we'll see some sunny spells start to develop. The mist and fog will lift and clear. Again, lots of low cloud, particularly towards some of these eastern coasts, but it is starting to feel a little cooler. Temperatures 13 to 16 degrees Celsius. Let's take a look at Thursday then. So our high pressure is drifting a little further off towards the north and the west. It's still dry, it's still settled, but it is going to feel a little cooler again. So we start to lose a couple of degrees or so. Still this northerly wind running down these North Sea facing coasts. There'll be areas of clouds, some sunny spells. It just won't feel quite as warm, but these temperatures are still round about the seasonal average, so no surprises. I can hear you asking, when is it going to rain? The answer to that is when the high pressure drifts eastwards, and we might just open the gates to something a bit wetter as we head into next weekend, but it's more likely as we go into the middle of next week. So here's the outlook for our capital cities for the end of the coming week, but you can find out the full forecast for your local area, of course, on the BBC Weather app.